Okay, before anything else, mga kids, I am your pretty host for today's event. I am your pretty host, Atina. And before we start our first game, mga kids, okay, ako sa mga ilahon one by one, okay? Hi! What is your name? How old are you now? Galing-galing. Na-stroke ng bata.
Na-stroke. Na-stroke.
Hi! Agma pa na sila manubag. Chat lang na ako. Daya. Hi, ate. What's your name? Hi, how old are you now? Five na siya. Who's with you? Kinsi ko yung mo?
English.
Hold on. Who's with you right now? Sige, English. Hi, ate.
Try Chinese.
Ay, what is your name?
Chelsea Natalie Cañete.
Confident guys, Chelsea. Mama. How old are you now?
9 years old.
9 years old. And thank you so much. Hi, baby girl. What is your name?
Hello.
How old are you now? 5 years old. Okay, thank you so much. Hi, Kuya.
Hello.
What is your name?
Zia Tiapas.
How old are you now?
8.
8. Who's with you?
My mom, dad.
Your mommy and daddy. Where's your mommy and daddy? Asa yung mama at papa? Hello. Asa na kuya ka itong naasa tumoy? Dara di ayo. Murang si tanggol mong papa niyo. Hi, kuya.
Hi.
What is your name?
Razel.
I'm Razel. How old are you now?
4.
4. Pasensya kaya ang wifi hinay ka sila. Who's with you?
Mommy and daddy.
Mommy and daddy. Where's your mommy and daddy? Pareha nagapon. Hi, kuya.
Ay, soon sila.
Hi. Okay ka, kuya? Hangover ka, kuya? What is your name?
Dixie.
Dixie. How old are you now?
8 years old.
8 years old. Who's with you? Kasi kuya mo.
Mama.
Your mommy. Asa yung mama? Asa yung mama, anak? Mami, hello. Hi, kuya.
Hi.
What's your name?
Alexandre.
Alexander. How old are you now?
7.
7.